Ready to transform your fitness routine? In this video, we're breaking down the best spin bikes on the market. From sleek designs to advanced features, these top picks are perfect for every level of rider. Whether you're chasing performance or looking for an at-home workout upgrade, we've got you covered. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. YOSUDA Indoor Magnetic Cycling Exercise Bike. The YOSUDA Indoor Cycling Bike delivers an affordable and dependable option for anyone seeking a gym-quality spinning experience at home. Equipped with a belt-driven 35-pound flywheel, it provides unlimited resistance adjustments to accommodate all fitness levels and workout intensities. Designed to resemble traditional spin bikes found in gyms, the YOSUDA bike stands out for its budget-friendly pricing without compromising on comfort. It features a high-quality adjustable seat and handlebars, ensuring a personalized fit. Assembly is straightforward, and the built-in transport wheels make it easy to move. Its sturdy steel frame guarantees durability and stability, even during vigorous cycling sessions. However, the display shows only one data field at a time and lacks pre-programmed workouts or connectivity features, leaving users in full control of their exercise routines. While these limitations may deter some, the YOSUDA Indoor Cycling Bike remains a solid and economical choice for basic spinning needs. For those seeking a more interactive training experience, the Proform Carbon CX is worth considering, offering iFit compatibility and additional features at a slightly higher price point. Pros: expansive resistance settings, huge resistance range, stable and sturdy, smooth and quiet weighted flywheel. Cons: basic display. Number 2. JOROTO Belt Drive Indoor Cycling Exercise Bike. Whether you're a beginner exploring spin bikes or an experienced indoor cyclist, the JOROTO Belt Drive Indoor Cycling Bike offers an efficient and satisfying workout. Known for its affordability, this bike combines magnetic resistance with a belt drive system, delivering a ride that is not only smooth but also remarkably quiet, making it one of the top choices in its category for noise reduction. The bike is fully adjustable, with an inseam range of 27.5 inch to 36.2, accommodating a variety of rider heights and ensuring maximum comfort. Its steel toe-caged pedals provide a professional cycling feel, while the adjustable resistance knob allows you to tailor the intensity of your workout to your specific goals, perfect for shared living spaces or apartments. This stationary bike is designed with both comfort and convenience in mind. It features a wide, cushioned seat that's more comfortable than many standard spin bike options and fully adjustable handlebars for a personalized fit. Its compact design and built-in mobility features make it easy to move between rooms, adding to its practicality. With its thoughtful design and quiet operation, the JOROTO Belt Drive Indoor Cycling Bike is a standout option for those seeking a versatile and user-friendly indoor cycling experience. Number 3. NordicTrack Commercial S22i Studio Cycle Exercise Bikes. The NordicTrack Commercial S22i, an upgraded version of the S15i model, impressed us with its remarkable adjustability during testing. What sets this indoor cycling bike apart is its ability to adjust both resistance and incline, significantly enhancing its versatility. The standout feature is its 22-inch touchscreen, which streams breathtaking outdoor cycling workouts, creating a more realistic outdoor riding experience. Included with the bike is a 30-day free trial of iFit, granting access to over 16,000 classes designed to suit various fitness levels and time constraints. We found that time crunch classes particularly useful. These high-intensity 15-minute workouts are perfect for individuals with tight schedules. Similar to the Peloton, the NordicTrack S22i automatically adjusts resistance and incline during workouts, although these settings can be manually controlled through the handlebars if desired. The bike offers an impressive 24 levels of resistance and features a large, immersive touchscreen that rivals the experience provided by Peloton. Additionally, customizable sound settings allow users to fine-tune audio levels for both music and instructor cues, ensuring a tailored experience for every rider. Number 4. Schwinn IC4 Fitness Indoor Cycling Bike. In our evaluation, whether cruising through a relaxed cooldown or tackling a challenging climb, the Schwinn IC4 bike delivered a smooth, stable, and impressively quiet ride. While it doesn't feature the touchscreen found on higher-end models like the Bowflex VeloCore. The IC4 compensates with a practical device holder and a backlit LCD console that displays essential metrics in real time. For those who are drawn to the premium features of top-tier models but are hesitant about the $1,799 price tag, the Schwinn IC4 offers a compelling alternative, saving you over $600. Like many high-end indoor bikes, the IC4 features easily accessible resistance controls. It excels in this area with a knob that adjusts through 100 levels of resistance, allowing for precise customization of workout intensity. Our tests confirmed its ultra-quiet operation, whether during intense sprints or gentle rides. Additionally, the bike comes with dual-sided pedals, accommodating both regular sneakers and cycling shoes, making it a versatile option for all types of riders. Pros: whisper quiet, dual-sided pedals, includes 3-pound dumbbells. Cons: seat not as cushioned as other options. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Indoor Magnetic Cycling Exercise Bike. The Sunny Health and Fitness Pro 2 SF B 1995 offers a solid digital monitor that tracks key workout metrics like speed, time, distance, calories burned, pulse, and RPM. Despite lacking a built-in display, this makes it an affordable alternative to higher-end models without sacrificing functionality. Equipped with a media holder, the bike allows you to use your own device to stream workout classes or enjoy movies and TV shows during your sessions. Featuring a 40-pound flywheel, it delivers a ride quality that closely resembles cycling on real roads, which is impressive for its price range. The built-in pulse sensor also helps you monitor your heart rate, ensuring you stay on track with your fitness goals. While it doesn't come with a tablet, the large device holder can easily accommodate a smartphone or tablet, giving you access to online training programs or your favorite digital content while you work out. Overall, the Sunny Health and Fitness Pro 2 is an excellent value for those seeking an effective, no-frills spin bike for home workouts. Pros: adjustable seat and handlebars, large 40-pound flywheel, media holder for tablet and phone, adjustable resistance. Cons: lacks dual-sided pedals.